And we start in 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome, you big bloody beautiful legends. Why all hate on me, man? Why all hate on me? Someone told me, Karan, तू 3, 2, 1 बोलता है, तेरा एक्सेंट बाहर आता है. मतलब मेरा कौन सा एक्सेंट है ब्रो? अपन तो मतलब बिहारी भोजपुरी से भी ज़्यादा बदतर है. अपन लोखंडवाला से है ब्रो. तू क्या बोल रहा है? ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. But no, I do agree with you. I say 3, 2, 1, like chew. Like you know how these like there are these like typical people who say sports and not sport. It's a sport, not a sport. What's a sport? You mean spot? No, that's not what it is. Like portable. No, it's portable. You port something or you play a sport. Pronounce it properly, bro. थोड़ा मतलब सॉरी ब्रो खुजले आ रहा है मतलब क्या कर सकता हूँ अभी. पॉइंट इज या यू फकिंग प्ले यू डोंट प्ले स्पोर्ट्स, यू प्ले स्पोर्ट्स. ठीक है. इट्स पिसिंग ऑफ. डोंट बी स्टूपिड. डोंट बी वन ऑफ दोस पीपल. This typical fucking like what behavior is this, man? Have some shame, bro. Like sobo behavior. Firstly, I don't even feel like saying sobo behavior because I'm from Jamnabai. A lot of us also said it. Us meaning not me. Us doesn't include me. I read the Renan Martin properly. Okay? I was a good boy. Good boy. Bro, every dog I say feel like saying goodbye. Oh dude, you wanna hear this fucking crazy story? This is in Penn State, okay? There was this lady with a dog. Fucking, firstly, it was the most... allow me to say this, but there is a difference between a dog and a fucking... like, literally like a teddy bear. A teddy bear that you deck up. Like, there's a difference between a dog and a doll. Like, for real. Like, literally, she dressed the dog up as a doll. And I was like, dude, there's a t-shirt the dog wore. Because it was kind of chilly. The t-shirt wrote, cutest little girl. Like, on the back of the dog. And I was like, oh, dude, oh, how old is she? No, I was like, oh, what's her name? And that lady was like, oh, it's a boy. Sexist much? What? What the fuck is wrong with you? You've put pink bow ties on his fucking head. You've tied up his hair. It was a Shih Tzu-ish breed. I don't know, one of those fucking min pin shits. Like there was like a choti बांधा था उसके सर पे. पिंक कलर का रबर बैंड डाल के टी शर्ट पे लिखा था क्यूटेस्ट गर्ल एवर. और भैंसुद मेरे को बोल रही है कि यू सेक्सिस्ट मच. Come on, man. Like, dude, don't bring in sexism in dogs, man. If your dog looks like a chick, I'm sorry, it looks like a chick. I can't help it. If you dress up your male dog as a chick, I am going to think of it as a male dog. A female dog. There's nothing I can do about it. My bad, man. Like, I think this is a problem with girls only. Like, if I think dudes, if they had a dog, अपना कुत्ता मतलब उसका नाम भी ऐसा ब्रूजो, राइनो, डीनो, मतलब ऐसा ही कुछ रखते हैं अपन लोग ऐसा. इफ यू गिव अ गाय अ डॉग एंड यू आस्क हिम टू नेम इट, अनलेस इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल डॉग, इज गोइंग टू नेम इट शेरा. व्हाट इज इट विथ लाइक फकिंग लाइक नॉर्थ इंडियंस एंड नेमिंग देयर डॉग शेरा? क्या है? नहीं है वो शेर ब्रो, इट्स अ पग. 90% of y'all have a fucking pug who snores at night and you're calling it शेरा. तरबूज जैसा दिखता है वो यार. And you're telling me looks like शेरा. नहीं है. So उसका नाम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मतलब पप्पू ऐसा कुछ रख. ढोकला. Like give it a realistic name. I'm sorry I'm being discriminative against like dogs who are legitimately a fucking amazing, best fucking thing human beings could ever fucking find in their life. I agree. But if your dog is a pug, you cannot name it शेरा. It's कॉमन फकिंग रूल. मेरा नाम अगर माइक रखता तो कैसा लगता तेरे को? लाइक what would you do if my name was Mike? Like you'd be like, is it short for like Mikhil or something like that? Like because you don't look like a Mike, you look like a Santosh at the most, or like or like a Raju, Rajesh. चलेगा bro. Keep it that. I don't mind. ये क्या है ब्रो यार? मतलब कुत्ते को भी थोड़ा इज्जत तो दे यार. डोंट नेम इट समथिंग इट कांट लिव अप टू. एंड आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल से ओ माय डॉगी बेस्ट. नहीं है यार तेरा डॉगी बेस्ट. तेरा डॉगी अमेजिंग है. I'd kill for your dog and I'd die for your dog. That's how amazing dogs are. But everybody's dog is not like you can't expect the world from your fucking dog. Like that's not how it works. Take it. I'm sorry. It's not fair, but it is what it is. Like just what the reality is. And like don't like I don't know. I think like dude, do you think dogs are like racist towards other dogs? Like hear me out, okay? Like I'm not saying they are, but like do you think a Siberian husky must be thinking like dude, I am the closest like to a wolf? Like I am the OG. Like you know how like white people think like they're the OG people and everybody else is stupid. Like do you think dogs also have that? Like a husky must be telling like a chihuahua or something, you little fuck. When I fucked a rat, you came out. I don't know. I love chihuahuas. Just letting you know. I think some of them are idiots, and I love idiots. Like I like dogs. I genuinely like dogs that are stupid. Like just recently, I came across a Chihuahua page. I don't know, Chihuahua Inc. or something like incorporation. Obviously, it's called that. And that fucking those Chihuahua, they're the cutest, bro. Like उसके नाक से सेमड़ा निकल रहा है, ऐसा सब चल रहा है, bro. That's how cute that Chihuahua is. I love dogs that are dumb and when they're shabby, they're stupid. I love it. When it's like trying to catch its own tail, I love it. That's how much like I want a stupid dog. I want two types of dogs. I'll be like, let me clarify. I want one dog that is like trained to kill. Okay, not kill as in like it won't kill you, but it's like a strong tagda dog. Okay, like a pit bull. Like I want one pit bull, and another dog I want is a stupid fat pug. Like I'll purposely feed the pug a lot so that it's fat. It'll look like it'll look like a literal like gray color like ball is like a gray color rugby ball should be walking around my house. रग्बी बॉल जिसका हवा बहुत भर दिया है और आवाज करता है हर बार. ठीक है, दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ डॉग आई वांट. आई एम सीरियस. आई नो y'all might be making fun of me, but it is what it is. But do you think like dogs have racism? Yeah, coming back to the topic. Like, do you think like a husky must be telling like a chihuahua like fuck you, or like a pug like तू क्या है bro? पहले बराबर सांस ले फिर बात कर मेरे साथ. Do you think a husky must be telling that? Could be, bro. I think like the racism comes in all species. I suppose it's not only like I don't think a lion respects a cat. Like I really don't think a lion like looks at a cat and goes like, "Fuck, this is one guy I don't wanna fuck with." I highly doubt that. I'm pretty sure I doubt that. Could be otherwise. But it's fucking weird, bro. Human racism is based on color. Like that's weird. Like if okay, if you're discriminating, you should have some like valid like argument. Like don't give me the argument, dude. This is serious, okay? In some colleges, in some schools in Gujarat, they're teaching. Sorry, my friends. Apparently, my fucking camera refuses to work. Dude, it's weird, man. I can't help it. But point being, uh, yeah, dude, Gujarat में some schools are there where they're teaching kids that because you were, and this is true, look it up. I'm not joking. Like this is 100% facts. I'm really telling you. Gujarat mein there is a school where they're teaching kids that the reason there are black, white, and brown people is because God, when He was making the earth, He made, this is history textbooks, where they're teaching this. God, when He made earth, He put brown people, white people in the oven and didn't bake the bread properly. Meaning He didn't bake them for enough time, so they turned out white. He put black people, He overbaked them, so they turned out black, and they put brown people for the exact enough perfect time, which is why they turned out perfect, and they turned out brown. This is mind blowing, bro. What is going on in our fucking country, bro? This is stupidity, bro. Fake news का तो मतलब हद है यार. There is a community of Hindus, like not Hindu community of section, idiot portion of Hinduism. These stupid people which are saying that this is fucking mind blowing. Huh? There was a ऋषि, अगस्त्य ऋषि करके एक आदमी था. 5,000 years ago he discovered electricity, और ऋग्वेदा में उसने ये सब है. Him discovering, him like inventing, not discovering, inventing electricity. What the fuck? Are you serious? This is stupid. Like, I don't how could you believe that? Like, wait, what? That is it's unreasonable. How? Like, I don't even understand the fucking argument you're basing it on. That क्या ऋग्वेदा में लिखा है कि some dude named Agastya Rishi fucking made electricity, so what, now you're gonna believe it? एक तो ऐसा I don't think लिखा है. Like, quite a few archaeologists have said ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. There is no diagram, and they said that there are diagrams. What? ब्रो क्या बकवास है ब्रो. बायो टेक्स्ट बुक है क्या? केमिस्ट्री टेक्स्ट बुक है क्या? कहाँ से ब्रो 5,000 पहले डायग्राम बना रहे थे वो लोग? दे वर फकिंग राइटिंग ऑन केव वॉल्स इन लाइक parchment paper and shit like that thousands of years ago, and you're telling me that they are like drawing images. There are, I know, I've studied history and ancient history and archaeological history. There are images, but don't tell me like this is garbage. Like, this is absolute bullshit. And there is a community which this is good. There is a community of scientists that is going around India and saying that, guys, this is not true. They're debunking, they're picking on these myths and they're debunking them. Like, guys, this is ye nahi hai, this is incorrect. Please stop believing all this. This is fucking 100% fake news. Please don't go around, bro, because the problem is they're claiming this is on the internet. So there is a possibility that people all over the world are seeing this. क्या थू हो जाएगी ब्रो पब्लिक में? कि मतलब क्या प्रूफ है? Like, there is no book where this is written. And like, I don't understand, man. Like, how can you go around claiming that? This is a fucking problem, bro. This is a problem with our entire, like, this happens all over the world, and I know that there are places in Rwanda, there are places in US also, in UK also, people are claiming false bullshit like everywhere. I know that. But अपना मतलब innovation level कुछ अलग ही है. Like, अपना innovation level India सीमा पार है ये सब में. For some reason, I don't know why. Like, ये problem यही है bro. कुछ कर नहीं सकते इसका. And idiot like admin on Instagram pages, like these weird admins on Instagram pages, on their pages like Hindu Share and all, will start promoting all this bullshit. Like, come on, man. Like, stop it, man. Like, don't do that, yeah. It's shameful for the fucking country. But on that note, I will end this podcast. I'm facing a lot of tech issues, which is why. But in case you have ended up here, I love you. Thank you for bearing with the tech issues. I don't know why, man. Maybe it's just my laptop is slow. My setup is not so intense, so I don't think you have to worry. But I'll see you guys next time. If you've made it here, go follow me on Instagram. I love you and I adore you as much as any other person does, which is a lot of people. Goodbye.